Ever wondered how safe your computer really is? Could someone be lurking in the shadows waiting to steal your information? In our increasingly digital world, the importance of computer security cannot be overstated. Every day, countless individuals and organizations fall victim to cyber threats, highlighting the very real risks associated with inadequate security measures. Take a moment to consider the potential consequences. Identity theft, for instance, can turn your life upside down, leading to a loss of privacy and a daunting maze of legal issues. Financial loss is another grave risk, as cybercriminals can pilfer your hard-earned money with just a few keystrokes. And let's not forget the potential for reputational damage, which can have long-lasting effects on both individuals and businesses. From students working on term papers to professionals safeguarding vital company data, everyone should take computer security seriously. After all, in our interconnected world, a single weak link can have far-reaching implications. So, now you understand why computer security is a big deal, but what does it really entail? Computer security might sound like a complex subject, but it's based on three basic principles: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, often referred to as the CIA triad. Let's dive into these principles, shall we? Starting with confidentiality, think of it as a secret that you share with a trusted friend. You wouldn't want that secret to be leaked, right? Similarly, in the world of computer security, confidentiality refers to protecting sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands or being accessed by unauthorized individuals. It's all about keeping our secrets, well, secret. Moving on to the second principle, integrity. Imagine you're writing a letter. You'd want to ensure that the content of the letter remains unchanged from when you write it to when it's received. That's integrity in a nutshell. In computer security, integrity is about maintaining and assuring the accuracy and consistency of data over its entire life cycle. It ensures that the data remains unchanged from its source and is delivered as intended without unauthorized alterations. Finally, let's talk about availability. Imagine you're at a library. You need a certain book, but it's locked away in a vault. That's not very useful, is it? In computer security, availability means ensuring that authorized users have reliable access to the data and resources they need when they need it. It's all about making sure that the data or system is available for use, just like that book should be available in the library. Now, it's not enough to just understand these principles. What's crucial is finding the right balance among them. Too much emphasis on confidentiality might hinder availability. Similarly, excessive focus on availability could compromise integrity. So it's a balancing act. So the CIA triad forms the foundation of computer security, but how can you ensure these principles are upheld? There are various methods to safeguard your computer and uphold the principles of the CIA triad. First up, the use of strong, unique passwords. This is like the first line of defense in your computer security. Think of it as the sturdy lock on your front door. Create passwords that are a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. And please don't use password 123 or your birthday. Be more creative, and importantly, avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Next, we have software updates. These are not there to annoy you, but rather to patch any vulnerabilities that cybercriminals might exploit. So, the next time your computer prompts you for an update, don't ignore it. It's like getting a free security upgrade. A reliable security software is your next line of defense. This acts like your personal security guard, patrolling your system for any suspicious activity. It can identify and remove malware, block risky websites, and even provide a firewall. Regular data backups are also crucial. If anything goes wrong, you'll still have your important files safe and sound. Think of it as having a spare key, just in case. Finally, be cautious with email attachments and downloads. Not everything that lands in your inbox is safe. It's like accepting a package from a stranger. You wouldn't do that, would you? By implementing these measures, you can significantly boost your computer's security, but remember, no system is entirely foolproof. So, we've covered quite a bit about computer security today. We've understood why it's crucial in our increasingly digital lives. We've delved into the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, the backbone of all security measures. And we've also explored how to implement these measures effectively. Remember, in the digital world, staying secure is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay safe.